Have you ever watched a video online and wished you could download the subtitles for studying, translating, or saving notes? Well, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download subtitles for free from almost any video, whether it's on YouTube, Facebook, or other platforms. And the best part? You won't need any paid tools or complicated software. Let's get started. First, let's begin with YouTube, because it's the easiest platform to extract subtitles from. Open any YouTube video that has captions available. You'll know it has subtitles if you see the CC icon under the video. Now, copy the link of the video from your browser. Next, visit a subtitle downloader website like DownSub, SaveSubs, or USub. These sites are free and work instantly. Paste the YouTube URL into the box, press the download button, and wait a few seconds. You'll now see available subtitle formats such as SRT, TXT, or VTT. Click the SRT option if you want a subtitle file compatible with video players like VLC, MX Player, or Pop Player. Click the TXT option if you just want the subtitle text for reading or studying. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded subtitles from a YouTube video in under a minute. But what about videos that don't have subtitles built in? There's a trick for that too. If the video contains clear speech, you can use YouTube's auto-transcribe trick. Upload the video privately to YouTube, wait for YouTube to automatically generate captions, and then use the same download method. This works surprisingly well for interviews, tutorials, and podcasts. Now let's talk about Facebook, Twitter, or other websites. If the subtitle downloader sites don't work, you can use a browser extension like Subtitle Downloader, Video CC Get, or Subtitle. Install the extension, open the video, and the tool will detect available captions automatically. With just one click, you can save the subtitles to your device. Another powerful method uses VLC Media Player. Open VLC, click Media, then open Network Stream, paste the video link, and let VLC load it. If VLC detects subtitles, you can go to the subtitle menu and save them manually. While it doesn't work for every platform, it's a great backup option. Finally, if you want subtitles from movies or TV shows, you can use community subtitle websites like Subscene, Open Subtitles, or Wi-Fi Subtitles. Just search for the title, pick your language, and download the subtitle file for free. These sources are especially helpful for offline movies or personal collections. So now you know multiple ways to download subtitles for free from YouTube, from social media videos, from live stream recordings, and even from movies. With the right tools, you can create study material, translate content, or enjoy videos in any language you prefer. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.